Beautiful.
My God, no.
I understand your mistake.
Well, that was beautiful. This is since the day that I got here. Hey guys, I'm joining you from lovely sunny Romania. Why am I in Romania? Honestly, I don't really know. I just haven't been to Romania before. And last week I had a few drinks and kind of just wanted to go on holiday. So I just booked a little trip, which is obviously one of the many benefits of Amazon FBA. I'm here in my hotel room. I am by myself currently in Romania. This wasn't originally the plan. I am supposed to be here with a friend of mine, but he managed to forget his passport. He lives in Manchester and we flew from Gatwick. This man came all the way to Gatwick Airport from Manchester before realising, hold on, I probably do need a passport to go abroad. So he's arriving today now. I've been here since yesterday, but we're getting the Porsche today. We're getting the Porsche 911 Turbo S, which I'm absolutely over the moon about. I mean, it's one of my dream cars. It's probably, some of you guys watching, it's probably your dream car. So 800 and something horsepower is going to be at my disposal pretty soon. Pretty excited. If you have a look outside, the weather is looking good. The sun is shining. Yeah, I'm super excited. I don't know really what I'm going to do today. I'll probably do some shooting, some go-karting. That was kind of the rough plan with me and my friend for today. And then tomorrow, I'm going to go on a big road trip in the car. I'm going to go see some Romanian castles, going to visit Transylvania, do all that kind of cool Romanian holiday sort of shit. I'm here at the Hilton Garden Inn in Bucharest in the Old Town. It's a lovely bathroom. Yeah, it's a decent hotel. I did manage to book me and my friend a double bed, which was not intentional. I'm really hoping they're gonna switch our rooms today before he arrives. But the hotel was free. It was with Amex points. It cost me 12,500 Amex points for a night in this hotel, which is the equivalent of spending 12 grand. So yeah, pretty cheap as far as Hiltons go. So yeah, I'm gonna jump in my Uber, go to the car rental place and go and pick up this Porsche. In the taxi now. Sorry if the audio isn't the best because I've managed to leave my microphone in the hotel room, which wasn't the smartest decision. But yeah, love Romania so far. It's my first time properly venturing out the hotel room since I got here last night. And yeah, so far I got a lovely taxi driver who offered me a cigarette even though I don't smoke. So they're very accommodating. It's very nice. Super excited to get the car. I've never driven something this powerful before. I mean, my car's pretty fast. It's like 350 brake horsepower, the BMW, but 800, there's a whole other level. And it's a Porsche. I mean, my dad loves Porsches, I love Porsches, and yeah, super excited to see how it drives. Made it. Here is the Porsche. It's I'll get some shots from the front. This is what it looks like. It's yeah, absolutely stunning. Beautiful car. I'll be honest, I'm slightly scared to drive it because I've never driven something quite like this. But I'm sure it's going to be just so fun. Beautiful. Look at that. Stunning. Absolutely fucking gorgeous. I'm in the Porsche, behind the driver's seat. It's all filled up and ready to go. I'm gonna go pick up my friend from the airport now, so I'm gonna do that. And then, yeah, I don't know really what the plan is for the rest of the day. Probably just kind of muck about and go do some shooting, something like that, or just drive around, frankly, because this car is awesome. It goes so quick. If you told me like a couple of years ago that I'd be doing this, I'd be just randomly going off to Romania, renting a car like this, like it's nothing. I'm loving life. Right guys, we've picked up my lovely cameraman slash friend who is behind the camera, obviously, and yeah, we've been driving this car for I don't know, I've lost track of time, frankly, but. Oh man, this is fucking sick. If you're watching this and you've not been to Romania and rented a Porsche or some other car, do it, because it's fucking sick. I know I'm a strong believer in electric cars, right? I have an electric BMW i4. I've always said that my next car is going to be a Porsche Taycan. But I mean, you have to understand, I don't really drive petrol cars at all, and I think after driving this, my opinion may have shifted a little bit. It might not be a Taycan next, it might be a 911 Turbo, because it's beautiful, the sound.
Your mind's changed, the morals are going out.
Oh, there's some guy waving at us.
Oh yeah.
Everyone in Romania is like so friendly, like getting so many like random kids being like, yeah, it's sick.
911.
English.
How do we tell them we're English? I don't really know. English. Good description.
Guy did warn me when I got the car though. He's like, watch out for Romanian drivers because they do just cut you off.
Fucking
I mean, this
hell.
guy's doing exactly what I was doing a moment ago, but like, he's only in a Skoda. You can't do that. Got to be driving a Porsche. No, I did think driving this car would just be like uncontrollably fast,
Yeah.
and I mean it is insanely quick, but it handles just so well that I feel in control of the car basically. I don't feel like I'm about to just fly into a wall or something like that, which is obviously good because the deposit on this car was insane and I really do not want to lose that deposit. It was like two grand to rent and $2,000 deposit. So anyone that thinks, oh Felix, you're poor because you drive a Porsche and you're not yeah, it's rented. That's what I was gonna say. Oh, you rented a Porsche, you're poor, just buy one. Like it was not cheap, you know. We've only got this for 2 days. Promise I'm rich. No way. I thought this car didn't have a heated steering wheel and I complained about it earlier. It does have a heated steering wheel. The button's just on this side. Like on my car it's on the front.
Yeah.
Okay, that's calm. I was thinking because the steering wheel was quite hot and I was thinking like, is it just my hands like sweating from how fast I've been driving? But look at that, got the projection on the floor. Alright guys, I want your opinion. I want you to comment down below. Am I allowed to park like a in 2 spaces with this car? Because I do not want anyone scratching this fast on my way, nor did I want to try and reverse into some tiny space. But yeah, let me know down below. Am I allowed to park like this? Is this acceptable? Oh, I'm in the bus lane!
Behind the bus.
Very not supposed to be in the bus lane. Please, no police cars.
Oh, you gotta pick people up. You're done.
What have I done?
Boy, it was a genius.
Mate, there actually is police behind us.
You're joking.
No, I'm not fucking kidding.
Right behind us.
Right behind us.
Do I get him on video or what?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do? Just speed away? That might be the best option.
I'm
Yeah.
not gonna lie. Yeah.
That might actually
That's
be.
exactly what I'm planning on doing. Oh mate, I see him.
You see him still? They're not. They haven't been.
They're behind me.
Do what they want, mate.
Been driving in the bus lane because fuck it, I'm abroad. What are they gonna do? Take my license? They can't. And then see red and blues in the rearview mirror. And I just fucking was like, well, I'm not pulling over. I'm in a fucking 911 Turbo S and they got shit police cars here. And I don't see any police anymore in the rearview mirror. I'm slightly scared they're gonna reappear. I'll be quite honest.
Nah, I think
I don't see him. I think we actually did just lose him.
successful police
Fucking
chase.
Police chase in Romania in a Porsche. Tell me what YouTube channel you're seeing this content on.
Come on. To you,
Oh, mate,
for
they are
you.
pulling me over.
This is actually for you. Oh my god, no.
Hello. English?
No, you don't see lights.
Yeah, well, I saw the lights then. Yes.
Okay.
It's our first day here.
What's your job?
What's my job? I sell things online. I have a store. I sell through Amazon. I have like an online shop. Oh yeah.
Just showed him a course.
Document card?
Restrict this for purity police.
Restrict?
Oh, yes.
Mhm.
6 day restrict.
Why?
Okay. For priority police, not accord priority. 2000 lane.
2,000 lei.
Yes.
What for? What did I do?
What?
What offence? What did I do? Why pay fine?
Check bank.
Yeah, but why I pay?
For
What
priority police.
for what?
I need your car's document.
Car document. Yes,
Yes.
it's at my hotel. I could
Okay.
call the rental place.
You understand your mistake?
I'm not 100% sure. Did I not pull over quick enough or?
Okay. We are in mission
Yeah.
now. If you see the police car with the light and the siren, You have to stop.
Yes.
But you don't stop.
I didn't want to stop in the middle of the road. I wanted to pull over.
No.
I'm sorry. In the
sorry. Stop.
No, sorry. In the UK, we have to pull over. But it's my mistake. I'm sorry.
You have to be.
I've been pulled over by the police, and they want to see the car rental agreement, but it's at my hotel, and they won't let me go get it. So do you have a copy?
I'll send you a copy. I will go to the office right now. Just tell them to wait. That's my global.
Okay. Would you be able to speak to them quickly and just explain this, because they don't speak English?
If they want to speak with me, yes, I can.
My mistake.
Right, siren.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes. Am I free to go?
Now yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you
Have a
very
good
much.
night.
Oh my god, I don't know how that guy. What the hell did he just say on the phone?
Oh.
How did that go from a £400 fine and suspended license to one phone call and yeah, just go, mate? What the fuck?
So they were asking for the rental agreement thing, and it's at my hotel.
Mate, do you remember before we left? I literally said, "What? You're not gonna bring the rental agreement?"
I don't think we need it. Right, oh,
No,
shit, that's a
neither
bust
did I. I said it like a joke.
But oh mate, and yeah, obviously they pulled me over. They were saying I didn't pull over quick enough. Mate, I pulled over so quick. Like,
Yeah.
I was not going to stop in the middle of a fucking 7-lane intersection. So I pulled over into like the next available safest place to stop, which is what you do in the UK. It was giving me shit for that. I'm not gonna lie, I think they were just trying to get money off me or something.
But you're fucking man.
Anyway, so I called a car rental place because I was like, well, I don't have the agreement on me, but I can call the guy and he will send me the agreement. Called him, was chatting to Romanian to the police officers for a few minutes, no idea what he said, and the police officer was just like, all good, it's fine, you can just go. And now I'm going.
Mate.
What the fuck? This is what 850 brake horsepower looks like. Wait for that. Jesus. Alright, we're heading to go-karting now. We found a place that's open till like 11:30 at night, doing indoor go-karting. I'm pretty sure it's indoor. So yeah, that's where we're heading. Two board of racing this round the street. It's gonna go race someone else around the track.
Still got this slip.
Yours
Didn't let me have the fucking name of Big Cock. Wait, I mean,
yeah, for some reason he wasn't allowed to have that as his go-kart name.
So Felix, turn around then. Felix.
What a fucking day it has been with this car. We've only had it one day, already got in a police chase. Bit fucking mad, to be quite honest. Was not expecting that. We're free, we're back. We're honestly quite happy to have my own feet on the ground and not be in this fucking insane car. I think it's time for a beer and go on a road trip tomorrow and go see some castles. Today has been insane, absolutely insane. I did not think I'd be driving around in a Porsche 911 Turbo S and getting in police chases and just having an absolutely mental day. I mean, go-karting was pretty fun as well, but it's a whole different level when you're behind the wheel of a car like that that's full size. But yeah, I mean, if you guys want to learn how to do what I do and live this sort of life where you can just travel to different countries and rent expensive cars and just live it up and do what you should be doing, making the most of every second of your life, head down to the video description, click the link at the top and book in a call with me to learn more about what I do for a living. I do Amazon FBA if you didn't know already, and on the call I'll be able to assess kind of where you're at in your own Amazon journey, whether you're a complete beginner or you've already been doing it for a couple of years but haven't really been hitting the numbers you want to hit. Go down to the video description, book in a call with me, let's chat. Even if you're not sure what you want to do, you know, always good to kind of just get to chat and see where you're at. So we just got to the first castle, Pele's castle, I think is how you pronounce it. And yeah, I guess we're just gonna go find the castle, see what all the fuss is about. This was actually a recommendation, this castle and the other one that we're going to, from my lovely admin assistant, Christine. She runs my business whilst I'm off doing trips like this. And yeah, she lives in Romania currently, so she said to us to go check this place out. Well, that was beautiful. You can even see more buildings behind me. Everything around here is just like amazing architecture-wise. Definitely worth a visit. But yeah, I've seen it now. On to the next one. The next one is Bran Castle. This is the one where supposedly Dracula lived, I'm pretty sure, if I'm remembering my history right. So yeah, it should be good. Obviously have to watch out for vampires. All right, quick stop at KFC. So my lovely chicken eating friend over here can get some food. Again, we have parked in 2 spaces to avoid any scratches. Now, as I've said before, I'm definitely happy with doing this, but last night someone actually did fuck with the car. I came back and someone had put the windscreen wipers up, so clearly not everyone is a fan. Oh yeah, I also got told off by the guy who regulates the car park we were at. He came over and was like, so it's your car. You were parking in 2 spaces. Told me not to do it again. I will be doing it again. There it is. Behind that tree. I've obviously parked in an amazing space for this shot. That is sick. Wish I had one of these in my car. Really, there's no reason I shouldn't, being that it's electric, but yeah, it does look pretty awesome. Got to play B88, you get me? Love it. Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed coming with me on this lovely road trip and my whole adventure in Romania. So yeah, if you do want to see more videos like this, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more. And if you are interested in learning more about what I do for for my main job as an Amazon FBA seller, head down to the video description, book in a call with me. There'll be a link right at the top of the video description where you can jump on a call with me and just discuss kind of where you're at, whether you're a complete beginner or whether you've been doing it for a while and just aren't hitting the numbers that you want to kind of be hitting. Just chat to me, book in a call. You've got nothing to lose. It's free consultation, and we can see whether or not my mentorship program might be a good fit for you. All right, guys, it has been an absolutely lovely day tripping around the Romanian countryside, seeing all these castles, and of course the car. The car is just amazing. I'm definitely going to be getting a 911 at some point, maybe a few years down the line, of course, because they're pretty expensive, but one day. Anyway, just to link this whole thing back to Amazon a little bit, so obviously my store will still be running regardless. This is since the day that I got here on the 17th, it's now the 19th today. In that time, we've done 2.8k profit at 32% ROI, so really good margins. So I'm very happy with that. I've been doing a really big push the past probably like 4 or 5 months now to just be strict about my criteria for sourcing. I won't buy anything that's at least 20 to 25% ROI, and I'll go much deeper on the stuff with the higher margin. And yeah, it's really shown in my results over the last few months. My average ROI has been shooting up. But as for just today, that is, yeah, it's all right. 533 quid, 20% ROI, not the best. Yesterday, a little bit better. ROI is much higher as well, 42% ROI yesterday. So yeah, overall, cannot complain. Very happy with the results. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more content from me. And I'll see you in the next one.